How are my snipers doing today? It's fantastic. Listen, Turbo is officially announced on Coinbase. It is going to be listed very, very soon if conditions are met. If you're a new viewer, guys, listen, Turbo, as we know, as the community knows, is going to be one of the greatest coins. So if you're a new viewer, listen up. Listen, Coinbase will add support for Turbo on the Ethereum network. Do not send this asset over to other networks or your funds may be lost, right? Whatever, we don't care. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. PT on the 11th of December. So pretty much that is 12 p.m. Eastern 2024 if liquidity conditions are met. Okay. So remember, if liquidity conditions are met, then technically we are going to be official. But I mean, this is like 99% done, 99.9% done, right? I don't see why Turbo wouldn't do this, especially that they did reply in this. There you go, Turbo. I replied here. But look, so once sufficient supply of this asset is established, trading on our Turbo USD trading pair will launch in phases, right? We could see, pretty much support may be restricted a little bit. Ethereum network address is this, right? We can see people are celebrating, ladies and gentlemen. We could just see the replies. Chill guy, come on, bro. We don't care about chill guy. Turbo to the damn moon, okay? Guys, if you are new and you don't know what this coin is, let me break it down very, very quickly. This is Turbo's page, right? This is Turbo's page. We can see it's a pretty nice, clean page. Are you going to be a buyer? Are you going to be a seller? Are you going to be, woke in a good way, right? Are you awake or are you sleeping on Turbo? All right, we can see fantastic, budget 69. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, Turbo was created with just $69. It's beautiful. Here are the 115 spot exchanges that you can buy Turbo on. So Turbo is everywhere. Turbo is everywhere. Turbo is going worldwide. Turbo will continue growing. I wouldn't be surprised if we get more future updates too, right? People will leverage trade this coin. We can also go into the white paper very, very quickly, ladies and gentlemen. The Chat GPT inspired type coin, right? It is decentralized, okay? It is decentralized, ladies and gentlemen. Usage and responsibility, just a meme coin. So just know that is what it is, right? Tokenomics, 69 billion. Crowdfunded 60 billion. The owner had 9 billion. The owner did sell pretty much most of his position, if not all of it, right? Key features, there's no taxes on transactions. Turbo ensures, frictionless peer-to-peer trading without imposing any tax burden on its users. So fantastic. What you buy for is what you're going to get. What you sell is what you're going to get, right? Renounced contract ownership. Can't get rug pulled, right? So it's safe. Guys, at this moment, it is a community takeover, which pretty much says it in name. The community has taken over because, like I said, the owner sold off and he pretty much has no control. All the coins are in circulation. So there's going to be no inflation, no token unlocks, nothing to worry about. Okay. We are on the Ethereum chain, which is a very, very good chain. We know Ethereum is going to be always one of the top dogs, no matter what, in the crypto scene, which will always help Turbo pump. All right. So like I see, some legal disclaimers, not too much. So if you want to be buying this coin, ladies and gentlemen, the perfect time is overall now. Turbo is a meme coin, okay, that obviously falls under the narrative of meme coins, but it also falls under the narrative of an AI coin, right? Is the first to do it. Not only is it the first, by the moment, it is the most popular. So it has two of the strongest narratives out there. And, there's a reason why this coin is pumping and has been pumping the way it has for months now. Okay. Not only that, but its community is genuinely one of the strongest out there. Now. I still believe we should be going a little bit lower, but you could be dollar cost buying. You could buy here, you could buy here, and you could buy here, right? You could be buying at these prices, right? If I give you specific prices of 0.0094, right? We could see price go to 0.008. There is a weekly candle at 0.006. I don't know if we're going to hit it. We would need to have some really deep retracement. You know, if the market makers want to manipulate it that way, then they could. But at this current moment, I don't think that's a very high probability. And yeah, Turbo, one of the strongest coins out there, strongest meme coins out there, and it's going to do very, very well this cycle. Turbo is most likely going to overtake many, many coins. If we go to the meme category, all right, we can see Turbo is somewhere down here. I believe it will do better than Nero. I believe it'll do better than Cat in the Dog's World, Not Coin, Baby Doge, Peanut. It should do better than Peanut, in my opinion. Popcat, Mog, right? And then, you know, the debatable ones are Brett, Floki, Bonk, right? That's when it's going to start slowly, you know, reaching its peak. That's where you can debate, right? That's where you can debate if it's going to go higher or lower than some of these coins. But for me, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is going to be pushing that 7th, 6th, 5th spot, ladies and gentlemen, right? And it's not there yet. It's around the 10th, it's around the 11th, it's around the 12th spot for meme coin. But Turbo has been climbing the ranks. Turbo has been smashing through so many of these coins that have already existed. And there, in terms of new coins, there's not many that are catching up. In fact, yeah, there's not many that are catching up. You know, the squirrel coin just went forward because of the tragedy with the squirrel. But that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want to buy this coin, highly recommend it. Remember, always not a financial advisor. Make sure to follow the Twitter page. Now, one final thing I want to break down, ladies and gentlemen, is the turbo cycles, right? The turbo cycles, right? Let's break it down. So pretty much we can see turbo is sold off heavily in 2023, went sideways for many, many months, as many coins did, obviously, because that was a bear season. That was pretty much when coins were recovering. We can see turbo got revived at the end of 2023, sold off very, very nicely once again. And in 2024, in February, late February, it got revived again, right? When I say revived, I mean it's just creating another cycle. It's just doing what it has to do. We can see then Turbo did once again sell off, go sideways. And if you got in, especially during this time, right? This time is also great, but if you got during this time when there was more and more confirmation in the market that coins are going to be going crazier, then April/May was a very, very good month for you because, as I said before, this would have been the area where you would have made lots and lots of money. We can see it went up a lot, and it to the last relevant high went up pretty much 22 times. So we could see, right, May, boom, very well for Turbo. Sell off slowly, go sideways. Guys, just know this is a normal thing in the market, right? Once there's usually a huge rally to the upside, it's going to be selling off and going sideways for a little bit. We can see the same thing with Turbo recently when Turbo recovered, started to recover in September and had a nice rally in early to mid-October, right? Again, a little bit of a sell-off. And now we're kind of going sideways, but overall we are trending up, right? We did have the market get nuked a little bit, which was a little bit unexpected, but that is also in a way expected, right? The market getting nuked here and there and big dips happening is expected. It's just the timing is sometimes hard to get down. But listen, pretty much I'm going to draw this out overall for people that are newer, what I expect with this coin, right? We might be going down a little bit, this, like this. We're going to have another rally, or we're going to have a decent rally because altcoin season just around the corner. I'll show you the chart too. Then I expect something like this, and then pretty much when altcoin season is at its peak, I expect Turbo to be smashing through prices, right? Like we said, 10 cents is very, very doable. We could even see 25 cents this cycle, okay? So pretty much this is the vision I have with Turbo, more or less. This is a total market cap for the top 10 coins, which is relevant for us. We can see recently, actually, we hit pretty much near the all-time highs. It's why we're having a rejection and a pullback now. What does that mean? Great opportunity to be buying, right? What we are expected over the next few months is overall a recovery and then a huge rally, right? Somewhere into the trillion market cap to 1.5 trillion for all the coins not inside the top 10. We are pretty much here, ladies and gentlemen, right? For the new people that are watching, or for the people that, you know, are seeing this for the first time, we can see, right, we are pretty much somewhere here in the cycle. Okay. And you can see what happened in the next few weeks, few months is lots of green. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And guys, talk to you guys next time.